3號強風信號現正生效。喺下晝4點，強熱帶風暴米娜集結喺香港之東北偏東大約120公里，即係北緯22.8度、東經115.2度附近。預料向西北移動，時速大約10公里，移向珠江口一帶。米娜已經喺下晝喺汕尾附近登陸，預料米娜會喺今晚至聽朝移近珠江口一帶，並逐漸減弱，喺本港以北100公里左右掠過。除非米娜採取更接近本港嘅路徑同維持較高強度，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會較低。3號強風信號會至少維持至聽朝9點。本港普遍吹強風，而米娜嘅外圍雨帶正係為珠江口一帶帶嚟狂風驟雨，市民請留意天氣變化。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，大老山同青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時51同46公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時64同60公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. At 4 p.m., severe tropical storm Mitag was estimated to be about 120 kilometers east-northeast of Hong Kong, which is near 22.8 degrees north, 115.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Mitag has made landfall near Shanwei this afternoon. It is expected to edge closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight and tomorrow morning, and weaken gradually, skirting around 100 kilometers to the north of Hong Kong. Unless Mitag adopts a track closer to our territory and maintains a higher intensity, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals is relatively low. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Strong winds are prevailing generally over Hong Kong. The outer rain bands of Mitag are bringing squally showers to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Members of the public, please be aware of the change in weather. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Taitcairn and Green Island were 51 and 46 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 64 and 60 kilometers per hour respectively.